So today I'm finally gonna get new tires on my Toyota, which you can see back there in the very back. It's a 1989 Toyota pickup truck that I drive pretty much every day, for the most part.
Yep.
It's probably one of my favorite vehicles that we have, which is ridiculous. But it had a lot of front end issues that Brian actually took care of earlier. I don't know, a couple months ago, I guess. And then I had to take it, believe it or not, to the dealership because there was a recall on the steering relay rod.
Mm-hmm.
And they replaced it, but they didn't, number one, they griped about my tires, which I knew, but we were waiting to actually take care of those after that. And then they didn't line it up completely properly, so we're gonna have to take care of that
They set
too.
the toe, but they didn't set the camber, so we got a little too much camber on the left front. We'll fix that right after we get the tires mounted. But today, Tara's helped me mount tires before for the Corvette and Camaro and Miata and other stuff, but she's never mounted big tires, and we're gonna see if she can do it by herself. So I'm gonna do one first and walk her through the steps, and we'll see how she does after that. You can see by these tires, they were in definite need, especially with winter coming. So we got some nice BF Goodrich all-terrain TA KO2s, 31 by 10.5s. So I ran those on the truck years ago when I owned it before I sold it to my parents and then bought it back.
So I guess now I'm gonna try it. We'll see what happens. Obviously Brian's gonna have to help me beat it because, wait, let me rephrase that. Brian's gonna have to help me. With the proper beating of the tire. Because I had to help him and to help you do it. So anyway, we'll see how this goes. You start it with the face out first.
I usually do
Face
face in.
in?
That way you get a feel for it, and if you nick the back of it, it ain't a showstopper.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you have to scoot it out further?
Yeah.
So like about there?
I usually go about the middle of the tire.
Oh, because it slides?
Yeah.
And then you step on the pedal?
Yep.
I'm all scared.
Keep going. You got another. You got to rotate it about a third of the way around and do it again.
You're gonna fix it, right? So our tire machine is quite old. That's one of the reasons why I guess this happened, but I'll show you what came apart. Brian's in there with the vise right now, trying to straighten it back out, and he's gonna put a new bolt in it so we can get back to putting on these tires and hopefully successfully. So this is the little arm that debeats the tire, and this was actually inside of there, and when I was trying to debead the first one, it popped out.
You have to get a little closer to the wheel. There you go.
Huh?
That's it.
You don't keep turning it on the, no?
It knocks the bead completely off on that side.
Okay. Oh, I guess it'll just stay that way. So now I have to lift it up.
Come on, Hercules.
How's the best way to go about doing it?
Bear hug this sumbitch.
push
Center it,
down.
push down, and then stomp the pedal. Push your tire down all the way around and push it back up.
Valve is right there. Because that would hurt it, right?
Could. And push down over there on the other side. There you go. Now pull. And rotate.
Shit, it came out. Is that okay?
You're fine.
Okay, now, I forgot what you said.
Just kind of lift the whole thing up first. Whole tire. There you go. You got it.
Now lift up on this side, right?
Yep.
Okay, I'm under it, and then I just gotta get it.
You gotta raise it up and then lever it over.
Get it up high enough. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna bend the freaking.
No, you're not. Pretty sure you can't.
Set my hands to it. Okay. It came out
You're
again.
fine, just go ahead.
But do I pull the tool out?
You've already got it up, I think, so it's fine. Just rotate.
No, it's not up. It's on the lip of the wheel.
Well, keep it where you've got it and just rotate. There's a lot of stuff you can get away with on big tires. Low profile tires. Look at that, it's got a nice little ejection feature.
It's annoying. 'Cause
You done got dirty.
yeah, I know. That's horrible. This shit's going everywhere here. Sometimes I just don't think this thing locks on there quite right.
That's fine. It ain't gonna be all the way on there. You gotta remember that radius of that thing is made to go up to like 20-inch wheels. Those are 15s, so it doesn't fit perfectly.
Okay, now it has to be up over that and down up here, right? So over that little hump in the back, right?
Let it drop down there in the front, just like what you're doing.
I'm trying to push down on it and let it.
You gotta do the same thing. You gotta get that, keep the back beat above it.
Back one above it and the bottom one in front of it.
Not below it.
It was, and then it popped up. That's what I did, and then it popped back up.
Don't be afraid to put your hand right there and keep it down while you get started.
So we have an old school bubble balancer. That was my dad's. But Brian says it works really well. It's old school, but it works. So we're pulling the wheel weights off of all of them and putting new ones on there. Looks like this one definitely needs some weights. So we managed to get them mounted. Basically, I guess couldn't do them totally by myself because it takes a lot of strength to do it, but for the most part I did. But then Brian just had to help me when I asked for help. And they're all mounted back up on the truck. And we just got done torquing them to 85 foot-pounds. And these are definitely better looking tires than what was on there. I don't plan to take the truck off-roading, but it'll be nice to have in the snow if we have any, which in Tennessee we don't have snow that lasts very long, so anyway. And Shop Dog did nothing but sit there.